if you keep your body relaxed, the body is in contact.
It's a combination of all your musical experience which creates your voice. That's what's
Carl, I barely touch anything. I'm sure that whatever minor alteration may have occurred will go completely unnoticed. I could be any kid running a time machine. See? My hair is completely different.
You may not touch my friend. Water boy. Yes, sir. I say it's just right.
Podemos hacerle un cumplido diciéndole lo que nos gusta de él o de ella.
Everybody does it.
On the outskirts of Frisco, I was cruising with my favorite gang. The place was so boring, filled with out-of-towners touring. I knew that it wasn't my thing. I really wasn't caring, but I felt my eyes staring at a guy who stuck out in the crowd. He had the kind of body that would shame Adonis, and a face that would make any man proud. Oh, what wow! He's the greatest that's all. Oh, what wow! I say, he's the greatest that's all. Oh, what wow! The champion of dance, his moves will put you in a trance, and he never leaves the disco alone. Arrogance but not conceit, as a man he's complete. My creme de la creme, please take me home. He wears the finest clothes, the best designers, heaven knows. He's the greatest that's all.
When we realized its fur was fluffy and soft and catchy, it was quite easy. We asked someone in this very news. That's the news I wanted to hear.
Even if you want to look away, you just can't.
Thanks for watching. I'm Simon sending this video news report to the 9th of May.
There are two things that happened.
For the 9th of May, 2014.
The establishment of the State of Israel, which made it possible for Jews everywhere.
that this is very difficult to answer in one sentence, but among many other reasons, maybe they are two complementary ones. First, we are accustomed